As usual on Amazing Life 24/7, we're going to start with something mild, with a casual waiting room moment.
Hello?
Yeah.
Anti-blushing pills. Do they work? Read our exclusive on the latest lifestyle drugs from November Women's...
Moving along, it's hard to understand more than half of what this kid is saying, but hear him out.
I was watching me and my mama watching this movie, this man had kicked him. But the man I was gonna try to punch him, he kicked him down on the ground. When he was gonna kick him, I was on the ground. You know what he did? He kicked him in the penis.
No matter where you draw the line for what you consider inappropriate, this video is far past it.
Baby Pearlin Pee-Pee, have a drink! Oh, how happy little thing!
He's laughing.
He'll start laughing when you tickle him!
Let me do it.
His little willy moves and he's done a pee-pee! Dad!
Pee-pee.
You're going to laugh
Naughty,
with him!
naughty, naughty.
With Baby Pearlin Pee-Pee!